Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning, good afternoon, or is it good evening? This is another Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now I'm bringing you just 1 minute, but why not bag yourself? 30 minutes for free, completely one-to-one. Come over to ldlcall.com, book your slot, and let's have that chat. But first, here is today's quote. It's important to remember that character comes first. After all, a monkey in a suit is still a monkey. A good talker can get themselves into any room by impressing with that clever chat, but can you stay there? Now, if you know what you're doing and you can back up the chat with the action to support those skills, then you're further than most. It doesn't matter how well you dress yourself up, a monkey, even in the sharpest suit, is still a monkey.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.